Hey ho guys, guess who got her birthday Stitch Fix? Hi old lady. We're going to play a game in the comments. Guess how old Mary is. Alright.
I'm sure you've said it in
I may have, but I don't know. People think you're 12.
That's fair.
People don't think I'm 12 anymore.
Alright, you want to do your thing?
Okay. I don't know. What did you say in your note?
I said green.
You said green in your
note.
note.
Like all I said.
Okay.
That's the...
Alright.
Don't tell me.
Alright. You want me to read your note?
Yeah, I'm very tired.
Okay. If anyone wonders what Stitch Fix is, I will have a description in the description box below. Probably if you're watching this, you've watched a lot of the videos and already know. But you can click below and read it. Here is a note from Mary's stylist. Hi Mary, welcome back for another fix. I'm excited to get this green fix for you with some items in green that should work well together and integrate with your wardrobe. I started with the Lena skinny jeans in black. Both front and back pockets are functional, but I can't speak for the depth of the pockets. Okay. Did you comment on that? Did you watch the video?
She must have watched the video.
All right. Hi, Corey. It's Corey. All right. I'm going to skip a lot of the description of what the items are so that you'll be surprised. But at the end it says more about green. And then we can read it at the end if you want.
Look, green.
Ooh. Wow. How come I don't get green like that?
Because you gotta ask for green.
I always ask for green.
I was like, green, 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 with exclamation points, so they understood.
Okay.
Ooh, I like these pants.
Alright.
Oh, they're distressed.
You like distressing?
Little bit, not a lot, because I distressed them myself. Pants.
Okay. Lena released hem skinny jean. They're the kind with that hem that is not hemmed. Like it's just like that?
Fashion. That's why I said distressed. I saw that.
Oh,
I think the rest of it's not technically distressed. I like this.
Ooh.
On my shuffle thing, they like listed a lot of plaid things, and I usually go with plaids. It's kind of a lighter blue. That it looks gray on camera, but it's blue.
Yeah, that is blue. It's not gray. It is showing up gray on in the monitor.
It's like the perfect green. I mean, that and darker green.
Very good jacket. It is beautiful. I wish we were the same size.
I'm glad we're not the same size because I never find it.
Really nice.
You'd steal it. That is really nice.
I would steal it if we were the same size, but no, I would not fit into something that would fit Mary.
And this, oh, it's got thummy holes. I love thummy holes.
Are awesome. Holy cow, Mary, I love this fix.
This is a great fix.
Wow.
It's got a litthis is kind of this is green, but I feel like it's got a little bit of blue in it. On camera it looks more blue, or is it blue with a bit of green?
I would say it's definitely, I'd call it a spruce green. It's got just that hint of blue mixed with the green. I mean, anyone looking at this will say that's green, but it's not like a lime green or something like that. Yeah, I would call that kind of a spruce green, right? And then you have the shoes.
Look, they're green.
Oh my gosh.
I like how she actually sent green.
She sent everything green. I've asked for green before and haven't got, maybe
that's
they don't have it in the more
I'll have to show
sizes.
you my, no, I'll have to show you my note. I was like, lots and lots of green, please send green, I love green, green. And then just exclamation points. So you just gotta be silly about it, and I guess get Corey. I don't know.
I like my stylist, but...
Yeah, your stylist does good for you too. Oh.
And there's SeaVees.
I actually like these shoes too.
SeaVees are the one regular, like not special shoe I can kind of wear. Your new shoes smell really cool. All right, so we'll do a try on, and you can let us know what you think. I'm recording.
Oh, okay.
It's fine. Okay, it's a few days later. Mary's extended her checkout. So let's turn around, Mary.
I like this. I'm already keeping this. My shoes.
Oh, there's the shoes.
Which I like, but I think they look silly with super skinny jeans because it looks like I have clown feet because I have big feet.
Okay, turn around, see the shoes. Yeah. So those are a maybe?
maybe. This I'm keeping, so you can give me your opinion, but I don't care, frankly.
Yeah, that hoodie is incredible. Put the hood up.
It makes me feel like an adventurer.
Okay.
I feel like Aragorn in that one scene.
Yeah, you need your sword.
I need a pipe.
Okay, so now the jeans also, you have those...
I don't... Actually, with the whole thing, I kind of like them, but they make my knees look funny, so I'm probably not keeping these.
It's not showing up on camera, but in person it outlines every bump in your knee.
I've got knobbly knees, like an old knobbly woman.
Okay. All right. So the sweater's a definite, the sneakers are a maybe, and the jeans are a probably not. Okay, now is the... I'll probably add in the name of the item under the picture because we don't have the list right now. That color is great on you, that gray blue. On camera it does look grayer than it is, but it's...
Blue. It's like a lighter grayish blue and then a dark navy blue.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember what this looks like.
And
I can't see the camera, so...
I think that was a maybe, but you were inclined against it. Is it gaping at all? I don't think it's gaping. I think it looks nice, actually.
Not enough. Not a lot.
Okay. Well, you always wear a cami anyway, no matter what you're wearing.
Yeah, I'm wearing a cami now. So.
Yeah.
It feels really tight on my arms, on my big buff arms.
Oh, that's right. That's what you said when you tried it on the first time. We didn't record the first try on.
My shoulders are broad, so like if I move, like this is tight.
Okay. I knew there was a reason that was probably a return.
It's a shame because it fits everywhere else. It's just my arms.
The color is great.
The color is great. This is an awesome box. This is a really good box.
Everything works together. I'm showing down to your shoes and up again. I mean, okay, maybe the skinnies are too skinny for the sneakers.
Yeah, they look silly.
It's not terrible.
Clown shoes. I might put on my other Stitch Fix skinny jeans and see if they look any better with those.
Okay.
They're not super comfortable. They're really stretchy though, so like they pass the mid-level front kick test.
Okay.
Which is, I mean, my jeans have to be able to do that in. So. Yep. There.
Yeah.
I love the color. I don't think I'm what. Well, it doesn't look good with this shirt for one thing. But let's see if we button it.
I think with that one, we looked and the price was like $88 or something, and we said it just wasn't quite worth.
I'm not going to wear it enough for that to be worth it, especially because it's going to be warmer out soon. I love this color though. I think it looks, well, it's sticking out here, but I don't think it looks quite right, like cut-wise. This color is perfect. I love this color. Send me anything in this color, but I'm not sure about how it looks cut-wise.
Yeah.
The pockets are real though, so that's good.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing I hate more than fake pockets.
Yeah. No, she really tried to get you pockets this time. I think even that shirt has a pocket, doesn't it? I can't remember. Yeah. Yeah.
She got me pockets. She got me all the right colors and the right styles. Or it's Corey, so it could be either one.
Okay.
But yeah.
All right. We'll just do a recap and we'll ask people's opinions. And I'll get this up as soon as I can. Okay, so let's go over the item names and prices and Mary's overall feeling. Okay, Market and Spruce, Camila boyfriend full stir. That's what it says. That I believe is the denim jacket. That's $88.
Yeah, I'm not getting that.
Yeah, I don't think it's quite worth $88. I have a, I forget that dark denim I got. I forget the brand, but I wear it all the time. It's really high quality. I paid $88 for it. I don't regret it. It's my only denim jacket, and it's really well made. This one is just $58 maybe, not $88. Okay, we had to stop filming for a minute because timer went off. We had to deal with, but so Mary has a slight costume change. The item she is keeping is the one Moose is climbing on right now, because we really try to avoid animal contact with clothes we're returning. But it's always a sign we're keeping something when Moose is jumping on it. Okay, we might as well talk about that one now. That is the MPG Sport Sadie knit hoodie jacket in teal green. It's definitely on the green side of teal.
It's dark teal.
It's really greeny teal. And that is $68, and that's obviously being kept. All right. Now we have these SeaVees Monterey canvas lace-up sneakers. $68, which is actually a pretty good price. You got a thread hanging off this one here. And they're a maybe, so let us know what you think. Awesome color. And what else is in that box?
The jeans.
Pull them out. Okay. Okay. The frayed hem jeans. These are the Prosperity Lena released hem skinny jean. They are $78, and they are probably a no, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna say no. I don't like the released hem because it's all like thready and weird and stuff.
Okay.
So.
And they were just a little.
Which I guess is a fashion thing.
A little tight in some spots. Yeah. All right.
My knees.
And lastly, we have this. Gosh, that is such a good color for you.
The color's fantastic.
That is the Tailor Vintage Cariann button-down flannel in blue, size small, $68. I had suggested maybe Mary size up to a medium, but you didn't think that was for $68.
It's not. It doesn't fit me quite right.
Okay.
So.
I thought it looked really nice.
Well, if I was still showing sheep,
Okay. When the kids were in 4-H when they were younger, and when you showed livestock at a show, actually you never had to wear the 4-H white because you didn't show as part officially of 4-H. You just showed your animals. If you're in a specifically 4-H show, you have to wear white, which is insane if you're working with livestock. But at regular farm shows, almost always the kids wore a button-up flannel. That is definitely a show shirt. Yeah. All right, so let us know what you think, as we're sure this is a keeper. It has the moose seal of approval.
These are probably being kept.
We'll see. We'll take a closer look at them and figure out. I say we. It's her call, you know. Anyway, all right.
Good price, so.
Were we going to play that game, Guess How Old Mary Is?
Oh,
Yeah,
gosh.
guess how old Mary is. Put it in the comments.
Yay, they're going to go searching through your videos.
Yeah. All right, and I will see you next time. I'm actually due for a Stitch Fix in about a week or so. So we'll see how that goes, and see you then. Bye. Bye. Okay, a quick look with her other Stitch Fix jeans. How do the shoes look? Turn around a little bit so people can see.
I think they look better with these.
I do. Those are not
these
quite
slightly less as a thingy. They're like not quite as tight
as those black ones were.
They're still
Yeah,
skinny jeans, but they're
they
like
would look
comfortable.
great with regular straight legs.
They also
Right.
pass the mid-level front